welcome to hashtag #MyAmericus on Instagram. Today we're going to show you when to use the hashtag, how to use the hashtag, and why we use the hashtag. So this is our lovely Instagram page, and if you look through the photos, you will see all of them use this hashtag #MyAmericus. So there it is in the caption, and then if you look at other photos, you'll see it down here. Look, there it is as the first hashtag listed. So we are going to be using this hashtag every time on our Instagram and across social media in general. And you should use this hashtag when you post anything that has to do with Americus. So, of course, with your downtown with your family, or at, First Friday event, or just, hanging out at the park, whatever you're doing in Americus, please include the hashtag when you post something about it. And so, for example, if I wanted to create a new post, I'm just going to do an example. So say you're posting this photo here, and go to next. Of course, select a filter that makes it look extra good. The logo looks awesome as it is, so hashtag no filter. And of course, click next. You're going to write a caption, something that is relevant to the photo. And it's always important to include a caption rather than just doing hashtags, because you want to let people know what's going on. So, of course, we'll say I did a caption, and then I'm going to do hashtag #MyAmericus. So I've used it before, so that's why it pops up so quickly. But as you start typing, you'll see these hashtags pop up. Make sure that you use the right one. So instead of using MyAmerica, of course, we're going to do MyAmericus. Also, just double check that it is spelled right, because if it's spelled incorrectly, then it won't show up with the other posts that are using MyAmericus as the hashtag. Also, we're going to cover more of why we're using this hashtag. So if I see a post that includes it, I can go ahead and just click on that hashtag, and it will show me all of the photos that are using the hashtag. So similar to Facebook or Twitter, it shows you everything that has ever used that hashtag. So it will show, first of all, the top posts. So these come from whichever posts are getting the most engagement. So engagement from meaning likes or comments, just what people are talking about the most. And then, of course, there's most recent. So you'll see the ones that have been posted the most recently, and then also just every single photo that includes this hashtag will be here. So you'll see, throughout, you'll have our post as well as your post, and so all 273 posts will be shown here. So it's a great way to connect with the community. It's also a great way to get exposure for what's going on in our community. And so that is going to be a brief overview of Instagram. If you guys have any questions, want to learn more about the hashtag, or what our goal is, please feel free to reach out and contact us.